Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This today class, it is so exciting to have you guys here. I am so happy right now. We are going to discuss about affiliate marketing for beginners. As a beginners in affiliate marketing, what do you want to affiliated on? Like, don't let me talk too much. Let's just dive in. Let's check it. So this particular template was used for my students. I mean, the day one, I gave them an assignment and I tell them to go and research and identify 3 potential niche they are passionate about to promote. Now, we say a recap of yesterday, which we did. So on today's episode, we are not recapping. We just want you as a beginner who doesn't know anything about marketing, who doesn't know anything about promoting a product, to go and search, go and do your research. What are the 3 niches you are passionate about? Even when you wake up from your sleep, you wake up to ask yourself, what are the things I love doing? What are the things I can do without thinking twice? So those are the niches you do well, because you already know a lot about that niche. You love doing it, because if you want to make a lot of money online, you have to love what you do, because the more you love what you do, the more you put your energy. So that is what this assignment is all about. So the benefit of this training is a legit path to achieve financial freedom. Comprehensive training regardless of experience level. That is what affiliate marketing is all about. Either you are professional, expert, or you know nothing about online business. Affiliate marketing will definitely put you through. It is the easiest way to start an online business, and it is the easiest business to do online. A complete actionable blueprint to start as an affiliate marketer. Like, you're starting from scratch and you want to learn it through me. I told you, I can guarantee you, I have an ebook I'm going to give you to help you start from scratch, and it's going to be coming to you for free. It's a gift, because I really want to see you succeed in the online space. So, highly valuable digital marketing and business skills. These are the benefits of doing affiliate marketing. You will also learn some digital skills. Digital skills like running a Facebook ad. Digital skills like building your website. Digital skills like building a funnel, a sales funnel. Digital skills like designing a website. So many more you can learn with affiliate marketing. And the benefits you have, as I have said earlier, is direct mentor access and a community of entrepreneurs. Like, you have access to me anytime, any day. Ongoing education support, resources, which I have mentioned from onset, that you have resources. You are leveraging on my own resources. The low risk, high leverage nature of the model. So congratulations, you're welcome to this section. So the next phase now is, after you identify the niche you want, because before you can even think of making money, you have to think of problem you want to solve. You must be a problem solver. Sit down. What problem can I solve? What can I do to help individuals? What can I do to help business owner? What can I do to help somebody solve their problem? That is how you make money online. So now, after you identify the niches you want to choose, the first thing you want to do is create a simple opt-in page or a blog. That opt-in page would be a place to introduce your product, tell people to sign up for your products. So many things will happen on your opt-in page, like telling them their problem and telling them how to solve their problem. So step 2 is create a flyer for awareness. You have to create a flyer for awareness. Tell people, this is so thing I can do. If you need to solve this particular problem, I am the go-to person to solve it for you. Flyer will stand for awareness. So Design a simple funnel with your product of interest. This is a practical class, and I can actually do it for you, show you how it can be done within a seconds with a simple step-by-step videos. I gave this assignment to my students, and it was create a basic website/blog and set up your social media accounts. Now this is very important, like very important. I see selling digital products, and you see their social media, like they are not doing anything at all. No, your social media is your shop. Your social media is your identity. Your social media is where people will get to know what you do. So I gave them this assignment to set up their social media so that it will fit what they want to use it for. For example, let's say I want to sell back to you. I can't put on my social media that I'm selling clothes. It's not possible. So this is why you need to set up your social media in a way that when people get there, they will know you are an expert in this particular niche. Even without asking you, they will already have an idea of what you do. So creating a website or a blog. I think I said in the previous slide that I can actually teach you how to create a simple website for your business. So in our next video, I'll show you how this can be done. So before you go, click on thumbs up so people that are going to benefit from this video will see it. Click on thumbs up, click on that subscribe button, and let me know in the comment section if you need me to create a video on the previous slide. After subscribing to my YouTube channel, click I have subscribed in the comment section so that I can know you have subscribed to this channel, and I will see you in my next video. I love you. Take care. Bye.